Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. Got Olympia SM3. Okay. Customer states indexing is inconsistent. And I first tried this and it seemed to be just fine. And then I noticed something. Let's get in here a little bit. So I was just trying, let's just try some capital letters. Okay. I'm going to speed things up a little. Oops. That's what I get for speeding things up a little. Well, look at that. Doesn't always work. So, being the mechanic I am, figure for sure there's something wrong right here in this ratchet. It's not feeding right, or it's grabbing a tooth, or maybe even the variable is slipping right here with the teeth and stuff. You can test that by holding the knob. I'm holding the other side, and then use the carriage return and push that ratchet. It shouldn't move, shouldn't slip. Like that's, you know, there when I index, if I hold the knob, it's not slipping. So let's try something else. Let's just try cleaning this roller with a couple drops of lacquer thinner. Just a couple drops. Flip this stuff up here. And we'll just run this real quick here. This. A little bit of dirt. A little bit of junk. Okay, let's put this back in. And line it up a little. Here we go. Bring it back down. Let's see how this looks now. So we got it back on ends, right? Faster. So what was happening is the paper was slipping on the roller, the Platen roller here. So cleaning it temporarily fixed it. Now it's nice and grippy. So if I hold the knob, pull the paper at the same time, it's can't even budge it now because it's clean. But eventually it's going to start slipping. Even that's slipping some. So this typewriter needs a new roller. It's just glossy, too much to ever fix. You can even see the gloss on it. Alright, so that's when a typewriter is due for a Platen for sure. Because paper slipping. Like I said, clean it, it's only temporary. Phoenix Typewriter. Good day.